How to create circle progress charts in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. As you can see, I have these data. Now, to create donut chart, click on Insert at the top. After that, select your data. After you've selected your data at the top, click on Donut Chart. Click on Donut. Your chart will pop up. You can resize it however you want and drag it wherever you want. Now double click on the circle inside or right click on the circle inside. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on Format Data Series. Now on the right side, click on Bucket-like option. After you have done that, click on Fill and expand Fill. Now scroll down and search for color. Select the area of the circle, which color you want it to be. Now I'm selecting the smaller portion and then selecting the color again. After you've selected the color, you will need to add progress. To do that, simply you'll find Insert at the top or Format at the top. In there, click on Text Box. Add text box in your donut. After you've added text box in your donut, in the formula bar at the top, simply type an equal sign and the first data and the second data. After you've done that, press on enter and it will show you the percentage and you're good to go. This is how to create circle progress charts in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.